Now look at them going right into my bucket. I went to grab the camera and there they are. Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, egg prices are going up, and if you're wondering if it's profitable to keep these chickens, I'm going to cover all the answers in this video. Now, while I run these numbers, I do want to say it's not just about dollar numbers. It's also about securing your food supply, because grocery stores are running out of eggs. There's shortage of eggs. The last time I went to the grocery stores, there were no more eggs. The grocery store shelves were completely cleaned. At least that's what's happening here in US. I don't know about other countries, but the prices of eggs here are going up, and the eggs are in short supply. Now, first of all, you have to check whether your city or your county allows for you to have chickens in your backyard. Some counties or some cities allow up to 6 hens and no rooster, but you don't want rooster anyway because roosters don't lay eggs. Now, hens will lay egg no matter what, even if the rooster is around or not. And those eggs, if the rooster is not around, will be unfertilized. No chick will be coming out of them. Well, chickens are not only just for eggs. Chickens are a lot of fun to keep. It's really good to interact with them, and most people think they're not very intelligent. But these chickens are really smart and they remember things really well as well. So when you get these little chickens, they cost about $4 each, and they are really cute and really fun to play with. Now, chickens won't lay eggs until they're 6 months old. So you have to feed them, and all the cost of feeding them, you have to recuperate after they actually start laying eggs, which is going to be from 6 months all the way up to 2 years old. Chickens live up to 3 to 5 years, but 3 to 4 years. And we don't eat meat, so we don't kill our chickens. So we let them be and let them live all the way until the end of their natural lifespan. Now, that does change things, and that's what I'm going to include in this video if that's what you're going to do as well. Now, let's figure out how many chickens you need. When the chickens are in their prime, they'll lay about 5 eggs a week. Let's say a family of 4 eats 4 eggs a day, 5 times a week. That's 1.5 dozen eggs a week. So you'll need 4 birds to do so. Now, $4 a chicken times 4 chickens is $16. So $16 over 36 months comes out to be about 50 cents a month. Now, you have to get some sort of a chicken coop like this. This can house 6 birds, and this costs $350. Now, this coop can last up to 10 years. So I can depreciate over 10 years, or you can just leave it out of all of this equation if you like to. It's up to you, but I'll leave it in for 10-year depreciation. So $350 divided by 120 months is $3 a month. Now, the biggest cost in keeping chickens is the feed. Now, I try to use as much of kitchen scraps or kitchen waste as I can, grass clippings. I even put wood chips out there so chickens can scratch it and eat the bugs out of them. However, you also have to supplement your chicken with some sort of feed like this. Now, there are 2 types of feed that I use. One is the 16% egg layer feed. These are pellets, and then I also use the scratch grains as well. Now, this is what the pellets look like, and this is what the scratch grains look like. Now, these bags used to cost a lot less. The scratch grains used to be $14. Right now it's $20. The pellets used to be $18. Now it's $25. So I have 2 dozen chickens. I have 24 chickens, and these bags last me 10 days. So I spend about $135 a month in feed to feed these chickens. Now, if you divide that by 6, if you're keeping 4 chickens, you'll be spending about $22 a month to feed the chickens. So when chickens are little, you have to feed them chick starter feed, which is $30 a bag, and that bag will last you 2 months for 4 birds. So that's $15 a month for 6 months. So the feed cost for first 6 months and then later 2.5 years comes out to be $20 a month on average. So our entire cost to keep the chickens for 3 years is $23.50 a month. Now, let's calculate how many eggs we'll get and how much money we'll save. Now, when the chickens are in their prime, they lay about 5 eggs a week. Now, that only happens for about 18 months after 6 months. So they lay less eggs during winter months. They don't lay any eggs for first 6 months, and they don't lay very many eggs towards the end of their lifespan either. So I'm going to take 200 eggs a year for 2 years. So that's 400 eggs a bird for over 3 months. So 400 eggs a bird would be 1,600 eggs for 4 birds over 3 years. Now, that comes out to be 44 eggs a month, and that's 3.7 dozen eggs per month. Now, eggs are costing pretty high right now. They're about $6 a dozen. So that comes out to $22.50 a month. Yep, you're going to lose $1 a month. Now, this if you don't kill the chickens and let the chickens live to the end of their lifespan. However, if you do eat chickens and you only keep your chickens for up to 2 years, your expenses go down by a third. Your expenses are about $12 a month, and your revenue increases to $30 a month. Now, if you like to eat organic eggs, you can just add 25% to all your numbers, to your expenses and your revenue as well. Now, considering all of that, eggs are still pretty cheap. They used to be about $2.50 a dozen or $3 a dozen. That's really cheap. And the way commercial farms do that is that they buy feed in bulk, so they save the money in feed, and also they have big chicken houses where they keep chickens, and sometimes the conditions are not that great for egg-laying chickens. They're kept in really small cages unless you can find free-range eggs. So for a home gardener, the numbers don't look that impressive. You don't just save too much money per month, but it's just not about dollar saving. It's also about securing your food supply. Because when we were flooded here, I went to the grocery store to buy some eggs. Guess what? There were no eggs. Grocery store shelves were empty. All eggs were cleared out, so we could not even buy any eggs. So it's good to have chickens, so at least you have eggs and you can secure your food supply. And you can also keep chickens for therapeutic reasons. They're really fun to have. I have a separate video on 5 benefits of keeping chickens, so check that out if you're interested. I hope you found the information in this video valuable, and if you did, consider subscribing and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in another video. Now, when chickens are in their prime, they lay about 5 eggs a day. Now, that would have been awesome.